Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through a super simple step-by-step guide on how to embed an Instagram photo on your WordPress website. No coding needed, and it only takes a few minutes. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to your WordPress website. Once your homepage loads, look toward the top right corner. You'll see a login option there. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to the secure login area where you can manage your website. You'll see a few sign-in options. Select the one that says Continue with Google. This option is quick, secure, and lets you use your existing Google account. After you click it, choose the Google account you normally use to manage your WordPress site. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Watch When Your WordPress dashboard, the main hub where all your website management tools live. Take a quick moment to get familiar with it if you haven't already. Now that you're inside, look for the plus icon at the top left corner. Here, you'll see multiple options. Click whatever you want to do. Click that. This will open the site editor, where you can make design and content changes to your pages. You'll now see a list of your site's pages. Choose the one where you want your Instagram photo to appear. When that page opens, direct your attention to the top left corner of the editor. You'll notice a plus icon. This is the block inserter, and it's what you'll use to add new elements to your site. Click on the plus icon and a search bar will appear. Type Instagram into the search field. You'll now see an option labeled Oyes Instagram Embed. Click on it to insert this block into your page. Now it's time to grab your Instagram photo. Open Instagram in a new tab. Find the photo you want to embed and copy its URL from the address bar at the top of your browser. Head back to WordPress and in the Instagram embed block, paste that URL into the designated field. Make sure the link is accurate. If even a small part is missing, the embed might not work. Once you've pasted the link, click Embed Up to load the Instagram post. In just a moment, you'll see your Instagram photo appear right on your page, fully interactive and ready to go. When it looks good, don't forget the most important part. Click Save. This ensures all your changes are stored and published live on your website. And that's it. You've successfully embedded an Instagram photo on your WordPress website. This small touch can really boost your site's visual appeal and help you showcase your social media content directly to your visitors. It's a great way to keep your site fresh and engaging, especially if you update your Instagram regularly. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy WordPress guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.